Okay, so we have this Wokwi simulator, and we will be doing an experiment on this ESP32 microcontroller board. On the left side, we can see this sketch.ino or the window where you can write the code. And on the right side, we have the simulation window with the ESP microcontroller board. Okay, so let's connect an LED to one of the pins and we will blink that LED uh, on this ESP32 microcontroller board. So let's start with writing the code. We'll define a LED connected on pin 12. Okay, so if you come in the simulation window, there are three options. One is the start the simulation button, second is adding a new part, and third is zoom, grid, and more. We need to add an LED and a resistor. So click on this plus button and you can type LED or you see this LED here. If you notice, if you click on one of the terminal, it says LED 1C, which is cathode, and LED 1A, which is anode. We need resistor, so let's add this resistor. If you click on it and you can change the value, I need 1 kilo ohm, so it's brown, black, red, and yellow is the tolerance. In order to move the component, click on it and press R from your keyboard, and you can move it by left click and move. You can zoom in this way from your scrolling from your mouse. Okay, now we have two components and an ESP microcontroller. We will be connecting it to the pin 12. So if you see, if you go on this pin 12, it will highlight as a green box, and then you just left click on that box and it will start a wire, and you have to terminate it or route it in this way. Same goes to other terminals. And the negative is connected to ground. You can select it and you can change the color of the wire this way. Okay, so our wiring in this or the hardware is done on the simulation window. Let's write our further code on the left side. So now we will in void setup loop, we make the pin mode LED as output because the LED is an output device. Okay, and after that in void setup, we make the uh, pin or the LED high, and we add delay, let's say 1 second, and repeat the same code for making the LED low. Instead of high, we just write low. Sorry, LOW. So now what will happen is the LED will be high for 1 second and then low for 1 second, and the loop continues. Okay, so sorry, we have to write here loop. Okay, and now click on this save. I have saved it as LED dash blink, and you come to this simulation window and you need to start this simulation. So you can see the LED is blinking with an interval of 1 second. Also, you notice there is a red LED on board the ESP32, which is uh, glowing. That means the ESP32 is powered. So this is how you can use this simulation, which is Wokwi simulation, by writing the code on the uh, window, and then you can use the hardware or the simulation components and do your projects. You can stop or pause the simulation from this button, and you can even stop it. So yeah, thank you.